we decided to buy some fishing load, so we are here, BCF. So many.
Which one should we get?
Oh, here.
I think these are like kids ones. It's like junior angler.
But I might be junior.
I guess so. Do you want to get like a baby's one? So we are looking for a combo fishing rod. So it should already have a spinner on there. But we'll find a cheap one. I don't know which one. Hey, good thanks.
I have no idea what we should get. But Jocelyn is looking.
Maybe like this one.
Everything looks same for me.
So we can get a full
There are like
card.
hundreds, I don't know. Do you think we need this one? Okay.
So we can get a full
what is it for?
No. Fishing bream and flathead apparently.
Ooh,
So
it's like jelly. Really? Ooh. Interesting. So many. Jesus. This shop is huge. Do you think we can get one of these?
Yeah, I think so.
What does it say?
Oh, it says you should like hook it up like live bait, but this is like fake plastic.
Oh.
Oh, it's like smelly apparently.
Ooh.
Oh.
Wow, interesting. So fishy will smell that one, right?
But maybe we should get like this, like
Why?
the proper color, so it's
Proper
not like
color?
red and green. I don't know if there's red and green fish,
I don't know either.
so then the fish will think it's real. Maybe.
Yeah.
Or like this.
Maybe that one is a good one. Or like bright color is better than dry color.
What do you think?
I don't know either.
If they see some bright color, they might think it's gross. So if we get that, or
So we decided to buy one of these,
maybe this
like $40 one. I hope it's good. Yeah.
sounds good.
So we decided to buy a bucket just in case we get some fish. How big this bucket is? Jesus. Wait,
It's alright.
the same price?
Bucket with the 20 liters.
20 liters.
Should be this one. Bucket with the 20 liters, right? Yeah.
Yep. We'll get it
Sweet.
with the lid. Cool. Okay, so we realized we need one of those gloves. So we're gonna buy this. That's $10. Fish handling gloves.
$12.
Which one?
Fillet knife.
I don't think we need a knife.
Maybe you're right. What about this?
Hey, let's go.
Jesus Christ.
And then we're gonna buy one of these tackle kit
This one
species
should be good.
bream pack. This one. Yeah?
This one?
Yep. How professional you are. Okay, so that is all we need, right?
This should be all we need.
Yep. And then fishing load. One of these. Okay, so we'll buy this fishing load and glove and what is that?
Tackle box. Tackle box.
Yeah, something. And then we've got some prawn for the bait. And then bucket. That's all.
Should be, yeah.
So we spent like $100 for him. So how many fish are you gonna get?
100. What? Alright, so we're on our way back now to our unit and we need to learn how to
we'll figure out how to use that fishing rod,
how to use a fishing
bait,
rod, how to attach
some
the bait.
thingies, everything.
My puppy's gonna learn how to do it.
Yeah,
and then
my
she's
puppy
gonna
too.
fish everything.
Oh, okay.
She's gonna fish
And then
1,000
we might
fish.
have fish for dinner.
What time is it?
It's 5:10.
Oh, okay.
Do you think we can?
Maybe, if we learn fast.
Or we've got the menu from yesterday, the Chinese shop. It was pretty nice.
Let's have Chinese food again.
Yeah, maybe.
Let's see how it goes. Maybe we'll catch a fish tonight.
Sure, why not?
Let's see. Okay.
So we've got home here, and then
So I learned a lot.
he's figuring out how it works.
Do you know how there was like a fishing rod just on its own with no reel?
Yep.
So it just connects in like this. Can you see how it can come apart? If I take this off, this can come off. And then to connect it, you put it into this.
So do we
slot.
need to cut this?
Yeah. But then if we bought like separate fishing rods, separate reel, we can tie it in like this. And then it's stuck there.
Cool.
See that?
Wow.
Also, it looks like it's
Oh wow.
so complicated. Can you see it goes up and down?
Oh wow. Yeah,
So
I
it's
can
gonna
see
like
it.
tie itself up and down.
Wow, it's amazing.
Also, this like clicks. I don't know what that does. Anyway, it's cool. Let's get it ready.
Yeah. Okay.
So, can you see this thing?
Which one? Yes.
This metal bar. It like it's gonna stop the string from coming out.
Yep.
So if it's like this, the string can't come out that much, depending on how tight this thing is.
Oh.
So if it's tight, the string can't come out when it's closed. But it needs to be like a little bit loose. So the string can come out a little bit. So when a fish bites it, then it can come out a little bit.
Okay.
And then this little thing here,
Yep.
the string should go like through here and then up. If it's open, then the string can come out as much as it wants.
Okay.
So when we are fishing, it should be closed like that.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, so I got the fishing rod coming out of the right side of this. So it should come up like this. But now I need to get a little bit, I think this is called a leader line.
Are you sure?
So I have these things.
Yeah.
It needs to connect here and have another bar on the end.
And then here we're gonna put the bait here, right?
So it should be the bait and the hook should be on the end. So I think if we cut here, it should be good. Thanks.
That's okay.
Okay, so the first one I should tie is the sinker. Can I have one of the metal balls?
This one? We have two types. One is smaller, the other one is bigger.
Let's try the smaller one first.
Yeah?
Which one is heavier? Is it
Bigger
heavier?
one is heavier.
Can I try it?
Bigger one is way heavier.
Which one?
Maybe smaller one first?
Let's try the small one first. So it has a hole here. So I should put this inside like that. And then go around again.
Yep.
Like this.
Oh, maybe I can show you this. Confused.
Like this.
Okay. Oh, you've got it.
And now I need to tie that.
This one?
Wait. Sorry. I need to put this through the holes first. Oh, no.
Sorry again?
I
I don't understand.
I need to put this through the holes in the fishing rod. Like this. Because otherwise the line's not going to fit through the guide holes. So, first thing, can you hold this?
Yep, sure.
Oh, you can put the GoPro there. So I need to take this ball off.
Wow. Obviously, I don't understand anything.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know what you're saying.
So I need to put this through here.
Oh, I got it.
Oops.
Oh, wow. All the way here, right?
Oh, I dropped it. Oh, shit.
That's okay.
Is it still good? Yeah, it's still good. All the way to the end. So, first I want to just loosen this a little bit. But actually it doesn't need to be there first. It doesn't need to be on there. Just, you can pull it down here. Bring it to me. So, which way should it go? Just like this, right? So I can put this through the hole. Can you help me? Take it. Through that one. Because if the sinker is there, it can't go through, right? So we need to
I
put...
don't know.
Yeah, the sinker, the metal ball can't fit through there.
Oh, got it.
So it needs to be strung up first.
And then this ball, right?
Can you hold the string?
Yep.
I'm going to undo this. Pull it through a little bit. Yep, maybe that's enough. Just like that.
It's really long. It's here.
That's what we need.
Oh, right. So we have to put this in the water.
Yeah! Even that's not long enough, but we can adjust the length
Later, right?
later. But right now, I need you to...
So should I put this through the bowl? No?
Yeah, you can. I'll put this on the floor.
I did.
And then again. So now through the hole again. Yep. Just like that. Good. So now the ball is going to be there. But also the ball needs to be above this, what is this thing? So I don't really know.
How's it called? I don't know.
It's called a swivel.
Oh, here.
What is that?
Oh.
A swivel.
Wow. So we should do like this. We should do like this. Okay, cool.
So I need your help to tie this, I think.
4 kilo main line, bowl sinker and swivel. Okay. What are you doing?
Tying knot. Oops. I made a mess. Can you help me? Can you hold this?
Sure. But why should you do that?
We have to tie a knot, otherwise it's going to come off.
Oh, wow, you're right.
So I'm going to tie a knot now.
Yeah. Yeah, good.
And then...
Do you think it's too far compared to the photo?
No, it should be like this far.
I mean, from bowl sinker to the swivel.
Oh, but we can adjust the ball.
Yeah, I think we need.
That's alright, look, it can come down.
Oh, cool. Oh, how easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even when it's in the water, it's going to go there.
Oh, okay.
So now I want to tie this part to that. Hold that for me. We have a sinker, and then it's on a barrel swivel, that thing. So the bottom part can spin. So if a fish gets on this, it can spin around, and it's not going to tangle the rest of the rope. So only that part there
Perfect.
can spin.
Yeah. Cool.
And then we have the hook. Let's try it.
Yeah. So we are leaving now. How many fish do you think you'll catch?
How many fish in 30 minutes?
30 minutes? Yeah. How many fish in 30 minutes? You know what? I feel like 0. Maybe I should have brought my jacket. Oh, lucky! My jacket's just there.
Don't get in the car.
Okay. So we're driving to some spot that we can do fishing, and I'm really scared of this needle thingy, so I'm holding like this.
It's called a hook.
Ah, hook.
Needle thingy. What a scary needle thingy.
Yeah. And you know what? It's already 6:16. So I am already getting hungry. So hungry. So let's see how many fish we'll get in 30 minutes. Yeah?
Let's see.
Oh, they are fishing!
I guess we can.
Wow! Wow, let's join them.
Two jumbos. Joining the professionals.
Wow. Oh, even the little girl. Did you see her?
Oh, really?
She's having some like the like boomerang. What is that?
Boomerang.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, really? I think we could park our car over there.
Really? Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
Let's go closer.
Oh, okay. Then I need to turn around.
And then you'll see the little girl who is holding the green color.
Boomerang?
Yeah. And she's fishing with that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Even like just here somewhere we could fish.
Yeah, why not?
They're riding their bikes down the hills.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry, they're riding their scooter down the hill. Wow.
I'll show you the girl. That one, the short jean with white shirt. Can you see what she's got on her hand?
Oh.
Look, she's fishing.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, I'm so excited now.
It looks a little bit cold.
Yeah,
Might be windy.
maybe. And then just make sure if we want to do fishing in New South Wales, you have to buy the fishing license. So there were lots of options, which is 3 days, 7 days, a month, and like a year. So we decided to buy a month one, right?
Yep. It's $14.
$14. Not bad.
Yeah, it's reasonable.
So if some officer or some council staff approaches us and then ask to show this, we can. Cool. Okay. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
I saw a pelican just now. Oh, here! I'm gonna film. What a big eye! It looks like a doll. It's coming to me. It's so big.
Guys, oh, look at his feet.
Oh, it's a bit scary, right? Oh my god. I'm gonna stop filming.